Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by the channel. I'm going to do an unboxing of this LED security light that Olafus, I believe is how you pronounce it, has sent to us for us to try out and do a video on. Go ahead and do an unboxing and show you what's in the box. So far the light seems to be packaged pretty good to where it doesn't bounce around. And this light comes to where it doesn't need a junction box. It just has a grounded plug on it with a fairly long cord. This would be good for applications, temporary things where you're going to be, something's not going to stay there permanently. You can just hook this up with an extension cord. Or if you have the proper setup like I do in the barn, I believe I have an outlet right there because I have it set up for security cameras. I have to get a screwdriver to loosen that up, but so far everything seems pretty quality. It has cooling fins on the back of the lights, like some high-end. These lights aren't very expensive, and these have cooling fins on the back, which is nice. Some of the high-end, that's what the high-end lights have, so that's good. Got to loosen this screw a little bit here to get it to fold out. So it's the way it's packaged is, so it doesn't flop around. And I'd have to loosen that anyway to adjust it to where I want it. I'm go ahead and just snag it back up a little bit so I can actually see what I got going on here. Alright. Well, that's kind of nice. These lights are completely adjustable, where you can adjust these separately from the larger array of LEDs, which is kind of cool. I like that. Everything seems fairly sturdy and watertight. I have some other LED floodlights that I bought off Amazon, and these seem very comparable and a little cheaper. It's adjustable for motion, day and night, and the time that the light stays on. Go ahead and snuggle this up just a little bit more. Alright. Yeah, that's it so far. I'm happy with the quality of this light. I'll go ahead and get it installed, and we'll do a demo for this later tonight. Alright, this is my first night with this light, and I gotta tell you, I'm fairly impressed. Still have to figure out get my settings just the way I want them for it to come on when I want and shut off when I want it to shut off, but just, this thing is so bright. I'll show you here. No, if you can see, the camera picks it up pretty good, but it lights up, yeah, you can see, it lights up almost this entire pasture area. Not bad for the price point of this light. Very nice. Yeah, not bad at all. I would definitely recommend this light for someone looking for an affordable LED light. There's the ducks going out. They're like, oh, this is great. We can see. The ducks are usually out in the dark roaming around anyway out here for some reason, so it's not bothering them to have a little bit of extra light. And but I would definitely recommend this light for someone that's looking for a easy install and you know, affordable LED light is very good, I would say. I would highly recommend. Yeah, now I'm up by the house, up on the other side of the garden, just kind of showing how bright this is. This is 11:30 at night, 11:30 p.m. And look at that. The timer does work on it. I have it set to be on for 5 minutes and shut off. I just walked out there and tested the sensor. It kicked right back on. I mean, look at that amount of light. This, like I said, this is 11:30 at night. I'd say it works pretty well. Definitely highly recommend this. Good price point, quality light, and it is bright. It says 5,500 lumens, which not sure how accurate that is, but that is pretty bright. I mean, look at that. Lights up the whole field. So if anything's out there lurking around, we should know about it.